Philippine tennis ace Alex Ayala faces world number 14 Linda Noskova in the fourth round of the Indian Wells Open in California. Ayala entered the round of 16 after a walkover 6-2 2-love win against world number 4 Coco Gauff of the US. The American retired due to an injury. Noskova is currently the number 1 women's singles player in the Czech Republic. Last year, she reached the fourth round at Wimbledon and third round at the US Open.